Okay, right now I'm going to show you a couple of core stability exercises. Now, core training or core stability exercises are very important for athletes of all types. If you're doing any kind of sports, basketball, football, a fighter, weight training, core stability exercises help promote proper posture while you're playing your sports, while you're lifting weights. They also help strengthen the stabilizer muscles of the spine and the lumbar spine, which is the lower back. Anybody who's ever had a lower back injury knows how painful that is. So we need to make sure that we're strengthening the core muscles, not just the ab muscles, which are the muscles on top that we see when we do about 1,000 crunches and it gets nice and hard and ripped. That's necessary as well. We all want that nice ripped look, but we want to make sure that we train the core so that we can keep working out and playing our sports without ever having to deal with any kind of back pain and back injury. Okay, so the first exercise I'm going to show you is called squat express. What you do is you take your feet out wide. You want to make sure that your knee never goes over your toes like that. That's a big no-no. Potential injury. When you have your feet in like that, there's potential for you to go over the toe like that. So make sure it's wide. I have 5 pounds. The highest you want to go is maybe 15 pounds if you're a really big, buff, yoked out guy. Keep your back straight. You start down here and you go up and you make an X with your body. You see how it kind of makes an X? You go down and you go up. Now, it's important when you get to the top that you're squeezing, you're engaging the core muscles. You squeeze the glutes, you squeeze the abs. When you get to the top, you squeeze really tight. Okay, we're not just kind of doing these, we're engaging, we're thinking about the core muscles, okay? So you do that about 30 times, then you'll be done with that one. The next one is called squat run. You get a really light weight. I have 2.5 pounds here. Get your left foot in front, you get low, like you're going to run, and you just start running like this. Okay, now you make sure we're thinking about the core. Remember, we're engaging, squeezing, but it's kind of hard to squeeze the glutes on this one, so you focus on the abs. Do that for 30 seconds. Switch your feet without stopping. Do that side for 30 seconds. Keep squeezing core. Okay? After about 60 seconds of that, then you'll be all done. The next one I'm going to show you is called lunge and reach. This is one of my favorite. Make sure you got your feet nice and wide here. You're going to start on the right side, and you're going to go up to the left. You go down, and you go up. You go down, and when you get to the top, you squeeze the core. Remember, you're squeezing the glutes, squeezing the abs. You see my feet? You see how they're pivoting? You got to move your feet. It'd be very hard to do this exercise without pivoting. Do about 15 on that side, then you go to the left side. Start at the bottom, then you go up to the right. Start at the left, go up to the right. Squeeze. Start at the bottom, and squeeze. Do about 12 or 15 on that side. Then you go back to the right side, do 12 or 15 again. Go back to the left side, do 12 or 15 again. You do about 60, something like that. Okay? Next one I'm going to show you is called low lateral skaters. Pick this one back up and you're going to get some weights so that you can mark your spot here. Because what will happen is your feet will start to drift in. It's a natural tendency with this exercise. Okay? Start on this side and you're just going to go to the other side like you're skating. When you get to this side, you engage, you lift your leg. Okay? Get to this side, engage, lift your leg. I really like this one because it really challenges the core. It's really difficult. Okay? Maintain the feet position in line with the weights. Now you don't have to lift. If you're a beginner, you can just go from side to side like this. And if you're intermediate, just a little tap. Okay? A little tap. Okay? Just a little tap like that. Okay, you do that one for about a minute. You'll be all done. The last one I'm going to show you is called the prison cell push-up. So if you're ever in prison or jail, you can definitely do this one. Okay? You do a push-up, leg in, push-up, leg in, push-up, then you step up. That's one. You go down, push-up, in, push-up, In, push up, step up. That's 2. Now, if that's kind of hard for you, I usually start off doing it that way, and then what I do is I take out the middle push-up, both legs in, push-up. So I'm only doing 2 push-ups at a time. Okay, push up, leg in, push up, and step up. You make sure you engage the core the entire time with that one. Keep the booty down. Now you want to train your core about once a week. I train my abs twice a week. So altogether I'm doing ab core training about 3 times a week. It's a good way to start. Implement into your exercise program. And if you don't have an exercise program, you can just start with core training and see how it works for you.